The rain just started. I'm sitting by the window enjoying the peaceful sound. Until Matcha decides to slap the window with his tiny hands like he's playing drums. Now he's leaving little paw prints everywhere. This monkey is turning my relaxing morning into a comedy show. We went outside when the rain got lighter. Matcha, you're getting us all wet! Here, under the umbrella. What a fun adventure! Matcha immediately jumped into every puddle like it's his personal swimming pool. He's splashing water all over me. Now my beautiful dress looks like I took a shower with clothes on. Thanks, Matcha! We're having a picnic under the roof. I brought strawberries. Oh, Matcha, you little rascal! But Matcha keeps stealing them one by one when I'm not looking. He even tried to hide one in his leaf headband. I caught him with a full mouth and now he's giving me the innocent "who me" face. After the rain stopped, a gorgeous rainbow appeared. I wanted a romantic dance, but Matcha turned it into a wild disco. He's spinning so fast, he almost flew away. I had to catch him midair while laughing so hard. I tried to read a storybook peacefully, but Matcha keeps using the book as his personal blanket. Matcha, you little rascal, that's not a blanket. Every time I turn the page, he rolls on it and pretends to sleep. This little actor is too funny. The wind is carrying flower petals everywhere. Matcha is trying to catch them like a crazy butterfly hunter. He jumped so high he landed on my head. Now I have a flower hat made by Matcha. As the sun sets, Matcha finally got tired. He's curled up on my chest. Still wearing his wet leaf headband like a crown. Even though he caused chaos all day. I wouldn't trade this naughty little monkey for anything. Thank you for spending this rainy, chaotic, but cozy day with us. Which moment made you laugh the most? The puddle party, the strawberry thief, or the flower hat incident? Tell me in the comments. If you love our funny and relaxing days, please subscribe and turn on notifications.